Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today I'm going to give you a step-by-step guide on how to enable individual apps to switch between Wi-Fi and cellular data on Android. Let's get started. Now, first of all, there isn't a single universal setting on all Android phones to explicitly control every app's ability to automatically switch between Wi-Fi and cellular based on signal strength, because this is often handled by the system's intelligent Wi-Fi or similar features. But you can control individual apps' access to mobile data, especially in the background. So let's get started. The first thing you need to do is you go to settings. And then the next thing you're going to do is find your network and internet connections. And then the next thing you're going to do is go to data usage. So once you're here, you're going to access your app data usage. This is mobile data usage, mobile data only apps. So here, mobile data only apps, you select apps that you want to always use your mobile data even when you're connected to Wi-Fi. This is useful if a certain app is blocked on a work or school Wi-Fi network. When you turn an app on or off below, you need to manually close and reopen the app for the new settings to take effect. Then you choose the ones you want to be able to use mobile data and at the same time cellular data to switch between them if it feels like it. So you simply toggle the switch next to the one you want to be able to do that. So let's say I want to contact people to do that. I simply toggle it on. You can do that for as many as you want. Now, like I said before, there's no one or universal control for this. So once you've selected for a specific app you want to control, you tap on it. Now, you can also manage the background data if you want. You can also manage background data by tapping on mobile data usage. Then you go to the particular app you're looking for and you turn on restriction for background data, or you turn it off. It depends on what you want. So you can see this is restricted for OneDrive. So allow background data usage, you can simply turn it on if you want it to use. If you don't want it to use, you turn it off. Now the next thing you're going to do is you can also do for Wi-Fi. This is Wi-Fi data usage. Tap on it. If you want to restrict it also, you go to the particular app you want to, and then you toggle it off for background data if you want. Let's say OneDrive, you can see background data is restricted, so you can turn it on if you want to enable it to be able to use background. You can also allow data usage when data saver is on also. So that's it. Like I said earlier, there is no universal that helps you to automatically do this. That is granular control. So there's no automatic switching also. You typically just enable or disable the feature overall rather than individual apps. Now, if you want mobile data to always be active, you can go to developer option. So you go to developer option, tap on it, and then you look for mobile data always active. So you can see mobile data. Sorry, it took me back. Let's go back to developer option. Developer option. So you have to scroll down till you see the mobile data. Is it mobile data always active? You leave it on. This will help you that the mobile data will be active even when Wi-Fi is active. It's for fast network switching, so make sure this is enabled or toggled on. Now, but just don't forget that to increase your battery consumption, so it's not recommended to enable this unless you have a specific need and understand the implications. So that's it. So in case you don't find a developer option, you can simply tap on the build number in your about phone multiple times until you become a developer, and then you scroll down and the developer option will be the last option you have. And there's some third-party firewall data management apps that might offer you more granular control over app network access. But please exercise caution when granting extensive permission to such apps. Now, like I said earlier, the exact menu parts and names that we mentioned may differ slightly based on your phone's manufacturer, if it's Samsung, Pixel, and your Android version. So you can't find this setting, try searching within your phone's settings app. Hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.